Made a little bit of a mess writing this out, but I couldn't be bothered to rewrite it. So anyway, what does equating coefficients mean? So we have this thing here, which doesn't have 2 lines but 3, and it means that they're congruent. It means what's on the left-hand side is the same or similar to what is on the right-hand side. And so we have also got a load of unknown variables here, and we want to figure out what those are. So the first step is to equate or make equal everything that has an x squared term on the left-hand side to everything that has an x squared term on the right-hand side. We do the same for the x terms, and we do everything for the same with just numbers. So for example, we look here on the left-hand side, everything with an x squared is 4x squared. There's no other x squareds. And on the right-hand side, we've got ax squared. So we can make them equal. There's nothing else here which is x squared. If we now divide everything by x squared, this and this is going to cancel out, and therefore we're going to get a equals 4. So we found out what one solution is. So now the second part would then be to now make everything on the left-hand side with x terms equal to everything on the right-hand side with x terms. So we've got a bx and a 3x. So bx plus 3x. We can now use simple algebra to solve this. Subtract 3x from both sides, you're going to get 4x equals bx, and if you now divide everything by x, these go away and you get b equals 4. And now finally, for the last step, we just equate what is on the left-hand side, which is minus 1, and c. So c would equal minus 1. Now you can plug these all in. So you're going to get a, which is 4x squared, plus bx, which is 4x, plus 3x minus 1. And obviously, if you simplify this out, that's going to equal this. Nice and easy to begin with, but let's make it a little bit more complex. First step is let's expand everything here. So let's just get rid of all these brackets. So we're going to get 18x plus 27 plus 8x plus 4b, which is congruent to ax plus 5. We can now sort out all of this. We've got some x terms which are the same, so that's going to become 26x plus 27 plus 4b, which is congruent to ax plus 5. Let's look at everything on the left-hand side, which has x terms, and make it equal to everything on the right-hand side, which has x terms. So fairly simple. We're going to have 26x, which is equal to ax. If we divide both sides by x, therefore a is going to equal 26. Let's now, there are no other terms. There's no x squared terms. There's only numbers now left. So that means now make 27 plus 4b equal 5. And we can now rearrange and solve this. So if we now subtract 27 from both sides, you're going to get 4b, which equals minus 22, and then b equals minus 22 divided, we divide both sides by 4 to get rid of the 4 on the left-hand side, by 4. So b would equal this, or minus 5.5. There's a dot there. So now, if we plug it in, it means that the left-hand side of 9, 2x plus 3 plus 4, 2x plus b, which we know to be minus 5.5, is congruent to a, which is 26x plus 5. So we've now found out what all the solutions are here on the left-hand side and the right-hand side by equating coefficients.